Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Again, I want to thank everyone for your support on the channel. All the viewers, all the subscribers, immensely appreciate the support. Today, I thought I would do another dividend capture video. There's been a lot of viewers in the threads wanting this type of video, so I thought I would do an update video talking about 3 stocks that have upcoming ex-dividend dates this next week. 2 actually are on the 2nd of March. The other is on the 5th of March. Out of these 3 stocks, I decided to include some higher yielding, higher risk stocks based on, again, the prior video, the comment threads wanting some stocks that are a little bit cheaper in price. So I included a penny stock as well as another stock I think is a little bit higher risk but higher reward as well. And then one stock I would be comfortable holding in the portfolio over the longer term. So the 3 stocks today will be PFG, as you can see up on screen here, Principal Financial. The other one is CTL, CenturyLink, and the last stock here is SSI, Stage Stores. So let's go through each of these contenders here, or potential stocks that can be utilized in a dividend capture swing trading type of strategy. So the first stock here I think is probably the best stock, PFG, Principal Financial. If we scroll to the bottom, we can see that this is an insurance company, a financial company primarily. Offers businesses, individuals, institutional clients, financial products and services, including insurance, money management. Basically, there is a whole host of operations in this company, as you can see. In the middle here, you can see earnings. The last set of earnings did not meet the expectations, as you can see there, Q4 2017. Otherwise, it was beating expectations, or at least right at the expected earnings per share. With regards to its earnings, you can see it's a very large company, $18.49 billion. Dividend yield is respectable, 2.65. And for the next round here, the dividend yield will be 3.19, just because the price of the stock has come back quite considerably. If we take a look at the 1-week graph here, it is up 1.26%, but over the last 1 month, down 15.15%. So I think this may be a very good contrarian play, if not a very good long-term buy and hold stock. And you can really see how it has come back here over the past 1 year, up 4.39%. But again, at one point it was up 22% before pulling back here. So I think this is a very good contrarian investment, but a very good dividend capture swing trade as well. So the numbers for this stock, the ex-dividend date will be on the 2nd of March. The payment will be on the 29th of March, a 51-cent payment per share. And again, the dividend yield is right at 3.2%. So a very good company, a very good stock for dividend capture swing trading. Now the next 2 here are a little bit higher reward stocks. CenturyLink here, CTL. If we go to the bottom here, you can see this is a holding company, integrated communications. Essentially, it's an internet service provider. You can see the earnings here have been trailing off a bit, especially that Q4 2017. You can see it's a somewhat large company there. I would consider this a larger small cap company, $10.12 billion. The dividend yield is spectacular, 12.95, just because this price of the stock has come back so considerably. So you can see here over the last 1 week, down 2.3%. Last 1 month here, 3 months. And then if we take a look at the 1-year graph, you can really see how it's trailed back. And again, I talked about this in prior videos as maybe being a good contrarian investment. And you can see that definitely was the case, 31.78%. I personally did not jump in. Wish I would have. But again, hindsight's 20/20 here. But over the 5-year graph, you can really see how this has come back here, 24.35%. So this is definitely a much more risky play than PFG here, Principal Financial. But the dividend is much higher. So the numbers for CTL, the ex-dividend date will be the same as PFG, the 2nd of March. The payment date will be the 16th of March, 54 cents per share. And again, the dividend yield is right at 11.72%. So a very, very risky play, but a very good stock potentially for dividend capture swing trading. Again, much more risky than a PFG. A PFG you can hold for the longer term without any worry. CTL here, not quite sure about that, especially given this 5-year graph of 24.35% in the red. But again, it could rebound and be a very good contrarian investment, much like a GE could be. And the last stock here, I threw this one in just because of viewer request. This is a penny stock here, Stage Stores. So we go to the bottom here. You can see this is engaging in the management of retail shops and department stores. That can be quite risky right now, especially with a lot of success with the online retailers. You can see the earnings here have been in the negative over the last 3 quarters here. So again, this is very, very high risk here. Normally, I would not include this in a video, but a lot of you guys wanted a high risk, high reward penny stock that has a very high dividend that could be utilized in swing trades. So this is why I'm including the stock. And this is also a very small cap stock, 53.03 million. If you go up to the top here, you can see it's a penny stock. It has rebounded here over the last month or so, but 3 months it's down 11.98%, 1 year 17.22%, and over the last 5 years here, if that will pop up here, you can see it's down 89.4%. So this is kind of a company here, a very high risk play. Wouldn't necessarily, again, put this out in a video, but you guys wanted a penny stock, high yield, swing trading, dividend capture penny stock, and this would meet the criteria at least over the next week or so. The numbers for this one, it has an ex-dividend date on the 5th of March, payment date 21st of March, 5 cents per share. The dividend yield on this one is a little bit over 12%. So very high risk, high reward penny stock here that if you have the stomach for, you can jump in, potentially have a good gain, but again, very, very high risk. The better plays here, if you do want a high risk, high reward dividend capture stock with a very good dividend yield, I would go with CenturyLink here, CTL. Otherwise, a very good buy and hold stock that you can definitely jump in as a contrarian investment play as well. PFG here would definitely be my favorite, 63.57 currently, but again, pulling back from over $74 or so. So those are the 3 stocks for dividend capture swing trading for this next week here: PFG, CTL, and SSI. Again, SSI, the very high risk stock here, included because of viewer request. Otherwise, CTL here would be my high risk play, and the safer dividend capture swing trade would be PFG here, Principal Financial. So as always, let me know if you guys have any better stocks to trade with. If you guys have any comments about this video, other videos, please let me know in the comment threads down below. Not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. Again, if you guys enjoy my videos, if you guys enjoy the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until the next video, we'll see you then.